I'll tell you what, I thought it was going to rain. Actually, it did start raining, so I put the cameras down and I wanted to get this all seeded and mulched before it did rain, and then it quit. But this part's done, which is a good thing. I wanted to get this side done here and that side over there. That's kind of a, you know, like a continuation of the yard. This area in here still needs a little bit of work. I'll get the excavator in here, trim that down, fill that in a little bit, dress this up. I'm not too worried about this down here, but this is going to kind of transition right into a high wall. But I need to get a nice clean edge across there. It'll work out pretty good. But I'm really happy to get this done here. We're supposed to get some rain tomorrow, maybe some later on today. But tomorrow we're supposed to get quite a bit. As long as I don't get a bunch of wind in the meantime, I should be good. And I didn't know this until the last time that I put straw on fresh grass seed. I guess not everybody does that. Different areas do different things, because I get a lot of questions on that, why I put the straw down. What it does, it helps kind of retain the moisture when it does rain on it. It also helps keep the birds from eating all the seeds, helps, you know, slow down erosion a little bit. It's just a good cover on top of the seed to keep things moist even when it's not raining, and it works pretty good. Everybody around here uses it. I did good with the old landscape rake today. I took it easy. The key with that, well, for me, don't reach out real far. When I reach out real far and pull, that's when I screw up my lower back. I usually do that once a year. So far this year, knock on wood, I've been pretty good. But man, when I reach out like that, it's not good. It'll put me down for a day, and that's the good part about it. It's not like it's a week or two, but I literally can't move. And it's always the same thing, especially if I turn to the left and reach out. Like, I can pick up big firewood rounds, all that kind of stuff. It doesn't bother me one bit. Reaching, turning, bad combination. But anyway, right now I need to head to the airport actually and pick up daughter Hannah. She was in Indianapolis for a couple days. Her husband Tyler was at regionals out there. He's a hammer thrower for Penn State, throws that big 16-pound steel ball. And I'm telling you, flying anymore. Hannah drove from State College to here the other day. I spent the night. Next morning, I took her to the airport at about 9 o'clock, I think. Yeah, 9 a.m. And from Pittsburgh, she went to New York. You know, she's trying to get to Indianapolis, but had a layover in New York. Then from New York to Indianapolis, a few delays here and there. I basically could have almost driven out and back in the same amount of time. But anyway, she's going to be back in about an hour, so I'm going to head down to the airport. I'll pick her up, and then when we come back, if it's not raining, we'll go back to work on all this. I'm looking forward to getting this all stoned. I was gonna widen that road out all the way up to the house. I'm gonna do that just a little bit, but I'm not gonna get carried away. I got a lot of bigger things gonna be happening soon, and I need to get this all wrapped up down here. The good news is though, I have pretty much doubled the size of the wood yard since I started moving dirt down here. All that's left is this little plug here behind the shipping container. There's not much there, and actually I need to haul most of that over to neighbor Cliff's. We got a little project going on over there. All right, I made it back from the airport there a couple hours ago. Had some things to take care of up at the house. Got daughter Hannah back. It did rain a little bit when I was gone, but things dried up pretty quick. They are calling for some more rain tonight and pretty much all day tomorrow. So what I want to do here this evening is this. I'm going to hop on the excavator and kind of clean up that high wall, get a nice, you know, straight edge across there. Then I'll take some of that dirt that I pulled down, and just where I want to make that transition from slope that I can mow to blend it into high wall, I just need a little bit of dirt right over there. And once we get that done and that dressed up, if it's not raining, we may start hauling some of this over to neighbor Cliff's place. We'll see. But when you're sitting out here in front of it, it's hard to see the depth. So my wall kind of goes like this. I can fix that, but a lot of people are asking, you know, if this is going to slip off of here. These soils right here don't really slip much. I'm sure over time there'll be a little bit of stuff trickle down, but I'll just clean it up with the skid loader. But anyway, right now I'm going to gather all this up here, kind of get it up in this corner here, and try to shape this up a little bit. What do you got going on there, Ty?
Groundhog hunting. Because you're going to be on TV. What are you doing? Blinker.
So the whole crew came down here to see how things are going. Ty's being a little camera shy, but Hannah's in town. You were in Indianapolis, right?
Yes.
Yeah, tell them about Tyler.
For East Regionals.
Tell them what Tyler does in case they don't know.
Tyler is a hammer thrower.
Which is a big round steel ball. Not an East Wing hammer, but a big round steel ball.
Yeah.
Weighs 16 pounds. Mm-hmm. And how far did he throw?
Yesterday he threw 70 something meters.
73, I think.
Well, his PR is 71.
Oh, sorry.
Yesterday he threw 70 meters.
70 meters. And where did he place?
First.
He placed first.
At that competition.
And next he'll go to Nationals?
Yeah, in a couple weeks in Oregon.
In Oregon.
Yeah.
All right. Thea, what are you doing?
Say hi.
You want me? Say hello to everybody.
Hi.
So Levi and Kate went out to dinner for their anniversary.
Yeah, today's their anniversary, and actually go to their channel, Tied Up with the Morgans, and they shared today their story of how they met. So that's a fun video.
And Hannah and Tyler have a channel. They got a couple videos out, huh?
Yeah, we're working on getting the ball rolling.
I'll tell you what, the track thing is pretty, the throwing's pretty cool. I never really knew much about it until
You're right.
I met Tyler, but it's impressive. It really is.
He's good.
I was telling Hannah on the way to the airport, I said sometime we need to get a big hunk of firewood that weighs about 16 pounds, put a wire on it like those steel balls, and see how far Tyler can throw it.
I like that.
That'd be funny.
Let's do that.
Yeah.
And your channel is called On Track with the Merkleys?
Yep.
Go check it out. You can catch up with Hannah and Tyler on Track with the Merkleys, and then Levi and Kate's channel is Tied Up with the Morgans. You've got your whole night planned right here.
Yeah, right.
And Thea.
She'll wave keep your distance, Pap. Keep your distance.
Well, it's looking like a rain out for the rest of the evening. There's some storms in the area, so that means we're going to wrap this video up right now, but I promise you there's something big coming tomorrow.